Hello, sixth grade. Welcome back. It is day number 2 of the class. It is Friday something, December 13th, or let's just say it should be. All right, so today's agenda, we have a pretest to complete and then a want to learn Google slide. And we'll get to that daily question at the end. As a reminder, you do not need to have Chromebooks until it is time to do your daily question and your work for today. So if you have a Chromebook, make sure that it is shut. Okay, something else that will be added to every day's lessons is just the standards. I know it really doesn't mean anything for you guys, but it is in case someone like Mrs. Barnhart or Mrs. Fitz or Mr. Barnhart or Mr. Barnes, Mr. Barnes, has to look at my lesson plan, so they're just there for that. Nothing for you to worry about with the standards. Okay, so you are going to do a pretest. It is 35 questions, and it is all about things that we're going to be learning this cycle in career readiness. You're not going to get your actual score. That would be kind of crazy. You are, though, going to get 10 points out of 10 points just for completing the pretest. This, again, is something that I need to have. I need to have pretest numbers and post-test numbers to see what the difference is. If you score really well, are you going to get out of taking this class? No. No, you're not. So it really is just something for me to have those numbers. And then I want you to tell me what you think a sixth grade student should know about money. You're probably thinking like I'm 11, 12 years old. I don't really have that much to do with money right now, but I want to hear what you want to learn. So you can, if you're not quite sure of some things, you can use some of the questions perhaps from your pretest. Like if you don't know what the interest formula is, maybe you want to learn about the interest formula. So you're going to have this Google slide in your classroom. It says what I want to learn in career readiness this year. There are 6 sticky notes, and I've highlighted them all that says click to add text. You're going to put one thing in each of the post-it notes. They do not have to be full, complete sentences. Can be very brief in each of those boxes, but one thing in each of the post-it notes. And then pay close attention over here on the left-hand side. I even put it in red to hopefully grab people's attention. But why do you think you should learn about money in 6th grade? Each post-it note is worth 1 point each, and then the why part is 4 points, and that really is just your opinion. Now don't say, I don't think I need to learn about money. I mean, maybe you think that, but I want you to say why it should be important in 6th grade that you learn something about money. Okay. So now you're going to do your word of the day. So after I read it, then get your Chromebooks out. Today's word is acquaintance, which is a person who knows you slightly, but who is not a close friend. So someone you know, but you wouldn't tell all of your stuff to. Right? You'll probably have to pause this video. Go ahead and get your Chromebooks open. You're going to go to your daily question. And I'm just going to show you how it looks. All right, so today's word of the day is acquaintance. And then we're going to look at the definition. Is it a person who is a close friend? No, it is not. When I look at the definition, it says a person who knows you slightly, but who is not a close friend. So it should be acquaintance and false. I'm not going to go over that every day. I just want to make sure people know how to do it. All right, so that's it. You're going to do your pretest first, and then work on your want to learn, and that's all you have for today. And should be a Friday, so I hope you have a great weekend. Bye-bye.